Open the Ola app and click on Ola S1 booking option. Then it will show your reservation options and click on purchase now, and it will show when we have reserved the scooter, etc. We can also cancel the reservation from here. Click on next, and here we can choose which model we want, the S1 or the S1 Pro. We can also select the color. There are a lot of vibrant colors to select from. Now we can also change our color and scooter preference before the scooter gets shipped from the factory to our delivery location. So after selecting our color and the variant we want, click on continue. Before that, we need to enter our pin code. After that, click next, and we will be sent to an option where we can enter our address, name, etc. Then the price split will be shown. Before that, we can see the insurance details. Now we can use their own Ola's own insurance provided by ICICI Lombard with optional options like on damage cover, third party cover, with optional things like personal accident cover, roadside assistance, zero depreciation, etc. We can also buy insurance from another company and save some money. Now we can see the price split up. Here we can see we have also opted for the performance upgrade. Now the price will change according to state due to the subsidy differences. Now if you are in Gujarat, Delhi, Rajasthan, etc., you will get it for a lot cheaper. Now in my state there are no such subsidies, so I have to go with the FAME 2 only. If you want to cancel the insurance, we can go back to the option and use the option I will buy my own insurance and skip insurance. And if you take insurance from any other company, you have to upload the or send the files to Ola, otherwise they won't ship your scooter. After that, you need to pay an advance amount of 20,000 via debit, credit, UPI or net banking. After that, before the delivery, you need to set up EMI options or pay the amount fully in advance. That's it for today. Thank you.